There are just a couple streets here in the heart of the West Side that you're gonna say, I know exactly where that is. And here I am at 6625 Visitation Drive, and you're gonna know exactly where this is. This house has fantastic natural light throughout, awesome bones top to bottom, and right here, your family has an opportunity for some of the best schools the West Side has to offer. For a private showing, give me a call.